crypto is already the fastest growing asset class in history.
Tokenization of financial assets, so digital assets, those are the two mega trends that are going to totally reshape financial services.
But 2026 is different. For the first time, three forces collide at once: macro liquidity returning, regulatory clarity, and institutional scale capital.
I'm anticipating we're going to see trillions of dollars flowing into this asset class.
I'm not a financial advisor and I can't predict the future. This isn't hype. It's a framework built on what's actually changing. Based on that framework, these are the 8 coins I believe are positioned for 2026, not because of narratives, but because of where real money is likely to flow. 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the anchor of the entire market. When rates fall, liquidity rises and governments print, scarcity wins. Institutions still treat Bitcoin as the base layer. 2. Ethereum. Most regulated stablecoins run on Ethereum. Over 30% of Ethereum's fees already come from stablecoins. More usage means more ETH burned, a direct value mechanism. 3. Solana isn't a future bet, it's a present one. It already processes massive real activity. Usage leads to fees, fees lead to value. 4. Cardano. A weak year doesn't kill a thesis. Sometimes it creates one. With privacy layers like Midnight, Cardano targets private DeFi, a sector most chains completely ignore. 5. Soar TAO. AI is not a short-term cycle. Soar is infrastructure for decentralized AI with fixed supply and real incentives. That's why institutions are already paying attention. 6. Ondo represents traditional finance moving on chain. Tokenized treasuries, real yield, real capital. This is institutional crypto, not speculation. 7. XRP regulatory clarity reopens the payment narrative. Speed, liquidity, and institutional settlement start to matter again. 8. SUI high performance infrastructure built for future scale. Higher risk, but asymmetric upside if adoption accelerates. These are the 8 coins I'm watching for 2026. Not because they're guaranteed winners, but because each one has a clear growth driver and a reason capital might choose it. Most altcoins won't survive. 2026 isn't about hype, it's about where institutions are willing to deploy real money.